before we can agree that the market has changed trend. You understand? So this level has to got broken. So let's see how this particular pair is going to play out. The signal from traders on trading field is buy. So, but that doesn't really must not tell us what to do. So we have to do our own analysis. So if I want to be an aggressive trader, so I will just scalp this particular pair now from here just to here, but it does not still guarantee. Well, something like that may happen, like selling from here now just to counter trade, put my stop loss above this bearish candle, which is just at 13 pips. Then I target this 28 pips, which is 1:2 trade. So, but I'm not doing that, or something like that may happen. The reason why I say something like that may happen is because I found a rally here. I found a rally here, the price rally here, and I see this candle break the rally level. So sometimes when this happen in the market, it's continuing the bullish, the bearish trend for a while. So it may not go for a long period of time, but the next candle will also happen to be bearish candle. Yes, that has happened a lot in the markets. But for now, I think we just have to hold on this Euro JPY. We have to hold and see what is going to happen. No voice. Just hold on. So guys, this particular candle on Euro JPY is going to close on 30 minutes time frame in the next 2 minutes. So if you can go for shots for a while, we make money there. So you understand? So let's check another pair. Let's go to AUD. That is the next pairs on my watch list. So first of all, let's go to daily time frame. So you can see on Euro AUD, you can see this. Let's look into this new trend. You can see that the trend has begun, which is downtrend. So how do we make use of this trend? If this trend is going to continue, this has to be broken on daily time frame. So let's go to 4 hours time frame. So I think the trend has showed a new continuation. You understand? So we are going to sell. So we are going to sell this particular pair. Let's go for short here. Put stop loss here. I think that is much. So it doesn't worth it. Let's go to 30 minutes time frame and see what has been happening. So I'm going to go for shorts here. So I'll just place my sell. You can sell Euro AUD, sell 1 ratio 3. If this can turn back, so that means the trend is not valid. So put your stop loss at 1.54716. That is 14 pips. You sell Euro AUD. So let's check the so you can also sell Euro JPY, sell Euro JPY, and the stop loss is going to be in 13 pips. So we are selling two pairs now. We are selling Euro JPY and so the Euro JPY you sell at 143.197. Stop loss is 143.332, which is 14 pips, and TP is 142.912, which is 28 pips. So that is Euro JPY. Then we are also selling Euro AUD, Euro against Australian dollar. We are selling Euro AUD at 1.54551. Stop loss at 16 pips, 1.54716. And the TP is 1.54. You should be in profit now if you sell these two pair. You should be in profit. So I'm dropping this on my um premium signal now. Let me write it out first. So we are in profit already. So if it's Euro JPY and then Euro AUD, we are in profit if you sell these two pair. Let me write it out. Sell Euro JPY at 143.197. Then stop loss is 143.33332, and TP is 142.912. So the SF for that one is just 14 pips, while the take profit is 28 pips. So the Euro AUD, so the Euro AUD, so the whole trade is in profit. You can see everything is blue now. So that one is 16 pips, XL is 16 pips, and TP is 54 pips. So 1:3 trade. So the whole trade is in profit. So let me type that out too. That is Euro JPY, Euro AUD, sorry. Sell O ṣe wá ṣe transfer fún un.
Àná máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ bíi èmi àti wọ́n jà. Ijọ́ yẹn mo fẹ́ ra mo mú 500 lọ́wọ́ mi ní Predator.
Tí wọ́n fẹ́ àwọn àbúrò ilé ìmọ̀ wọ́n ti bí wọ́n ní Buhari ti sọ̀rọ̀ bó ti sọ̀rọ̀ àti wọ́n ní wọ́n gbà tí pé kí ní òbí. Wọn ò gbá mọ́.
Ẹja kọ́kọ́ mo débẹ̀ láàárọ̀ torí last card tó wà ní ilé rẹ̀. Mo bá dẹ̀ na 1,000 sí wọn tó ló lọ pé kí n ra Pepsi náà ti bá fẹ́ ra Pepsi nǹkan 500 mo fẹ́ ra okay let's say 450. So now I wan buy Predator and Pepsi. Ọmọ ẹ̀yẹ kan nígbà tí pé màá ṣe jáde no change. Wọn àti ìyá ẹ̀dẹ̀ wà níbẹ̀. Mo ṣe tán ni. Buhari na go say una no collect old note which one be no change. Mo sá wọ̀ sí mo bá lọ. Mo bá bọ̀ padà mọ́mí bá jáde síta ti jáde síta dé. But my friend it's not like that. Kìnì kan we used to collect old notes but we don't have change. Kò ní ṣe bó ṣe máa bá yẹn sọ̀rọ̀ nìyẹn. Nígbà tí pé ó. And I want to buy something of 500 naira. No 500 naira change. You never even allow.
So guys, just use proper risk management. You understand? So let's go to another pair. Let's see if you can see another opportunity on another pair. So the trade may still be showing red. So just hold. We are it's until it got to stop loss before you lose a trade. Always take note of that. So you must not be fear of color. So some people used to fear red, they will close the trade, think they are losing money. And if they see blue, maybe I don't know if I should call this that Ofajoy or something. So let's check if we can get another opportunity on another pair. Let's check Euro GBP. I think something that is happening on Euro JPY is also happening on Euro GBP, but let's see. The market is buying. So all we are going to be looking for now is buy. Let me also check what traders are doing. Let me check. They also buy. So let's trade break out of this level. So we can see any candle close above this line. This horizontal line I placed now. So we enter for buy immediately after detecting any candle close above that. So it could be on smaller time frame like um 30 minutes time frame. This seems to be supply. You understand? So the supply and demand format. So this may be the other block, and it has come to the other block. So let's just wait for this line to get broken. After we see any candle close above that on 4 hours time frame, let's do it like this so that we will not fall victim of fake outs. So let's just make the block. So Mr. Godwin, it depends on you. Depend on how you used to, because my own is to give signals. So it's left to you to apply your own entry skills and exit skills to it. You understand? So it's normal to touch a signal when you receive a signal. You understand? So just make sure you blend it to what you normally trade in the market. So you can't just say because I give signal, you will just enter. So it's normal. If you normally wait for an confirmation candle stick, you can do that by waiting for the candle. So by any style you used to use, any format you used to trade, just apply it to it. So that's what makes you a good trader. You understand? So Euro GPP. So we'll be waiting for breakout of this channel. So guys, let's move on to another pair. You understand? So we can also assuming we see this level very early because it's just like a retracement of this level because this is a resistance level and it got broken. So and price retest it. So price retest it and it started buying back. There's a rejection in within these 4 hours. You understand? But so far we didn't get up. To be very sure, let's wait for that breakout we pick already. You understand? So let's move to Euro USD, the most popular, most frequently traded pair. I think we are losing the Euro UT. It has not got to a stop loss, so we still owed. So you can see the market is buying. So we are already in profit in Euro JPY, on Euro JPY rather. So the market is buying on Euro USD. Real is an uptrend. So let's look deep into the market. Let's look deep into the market. So you can see that this resistance level, support level rather, is at a trend on this long trend lane. So we can make use of buy there, but let's check smaller time frame to minimize our stop loss. You can see what is happening here. So I think there's a pattern for me here to show a reversal pattern in this particular swing high. But to me, you can see that this swing high here formed it has break the initial low high to form a new low, but the price is consolidating around there, which let me see the trader's decision on trading view is on neutral. So it's an indecision. You understand? So no one know where the market could head to. So that this market is an indecision. So we have to wait just to keep our eyes on this particular pair. Just to keep our eyes on this particular pair. Yeah, Godwin. Yeah, I used to do it every day. So sometimes I do on synthetic indices. People that trade volatility, boom and crash. They know me very well. So we used to scalp live. Used to do live scalping. So sometimes in the morning and sometimes in the night. So but the currency pair is just started today, and we are going to be doing it every day. You understand? So we are in profit on Euro JPY. So though the price is trying to break that support level. So let's move on. Let's check another pair. The Euro USD here is there is no decision to be taken at this particular level because we can see that this swing high has break this initial low high. You understand? So to form a new low, but the price has the market is consolidating. You understand between the buyers and sellers. So we don't see a new low high. Assuming we see a new low high and a breakout of this particular trend, then we can make use of that. Let's go to another pair. Let's look at USD Canadian dollar. Let me delete this. First of all, the market trend. We can see that the market is going up. The trend is going up, but we have to look deep. This could be a retracement or beginning of a new trend. But no matter what is it, we are a day trader, so we want to execute a trade and close it today. So we must not go far. We have to look into what is happening recently in the market. So going far is not an option for us. So we just have to use that to dictate what has been happening for long in the market. So that should not lead to our decision. You understand? So I think there is one effect happen now. Let me quickly check if there's an effect because the way the market is moving, the market is very volatile now. Let me check my calendar. So today is February, February what? I think 17, 16. So time, there is no particular serious event on 2:30 before we have a very serious event that will affect the market. So on US dollar. So but before then, let's keep going. Let's continue with this. So you can see that the market is in downtrend. That could be a retracement for the swing high, but we don't really care. So far it is on higher time frame. So it's a trend on lower time frame. So let's just bring out these levels. Price has been struggling to break this place for a few days. So now let's go to smaller time frame. You can see that is a very strong resistance level. So just hold the trade. So until it hits SL, before we can agree that we lose the trade. Until then, we never lose the trade. So you can see that the market is trying to break this level for the past few days now. So what should we do? I think we should follow this resistance level to downtrend. You understand? You know the market is going to downtrend. So let's just hope. Let's wait for the price to come back to here again. If you are luck, then we join the sellers. We just target here first because that is when the market has been ranging. You understand? So let us just trade to that level. So we have to wait the market come back to that channel. You understand? So let's see the other traders' decision. They are also selling, so we are on the right path. So let us wait. Don't let us enter for the sell here. It could be dangerous. Let's check smaller time frame. So I think there's a trend which I could follow, but it is an aggressive way. But if you say we should try it, the aggressive ways means that we should sell here. Then we target this high, this low high, which is 14 pip. Then we target here, which is 1:4. Should we do it? So if you are aggressive trader, you can enter for sell at that level. You can enter for sell at that level. So let's see if that inner trend is going to help us. Let's see. I think it's going to. So let's check Euro AUD. I think something is not going right there. So it's closing to the stop loss, but does not go to the stop loss. There's a long rejection there after giving us a little profit. So the Euro JPY2 can't conclude yet until though we are counter trading, we know what we are doing on Euro JPY. It's just an aggressive way to counter trade. So the best way we are waiting for is this line to get broken. That's when you can enter a valid trade. But we just say we should counter trade, but it seems it doesn't go. It's not going well. So this here is the card now is in profit. So if you sell the USD card. The USD card is in profit now. So as an aggressive trader, if you sell that, you should be in profit. If you sell this USD card, so if you sell the USD card, you should still remain in profit. So our initial trade on Euro UD and Euro JPY, they are against us, but not in much loss. We have not entered -$1, so because the stop loss is very slim. So Let me check the USD card again. So if you trade this USD card, you should be in profit by now. You should be in profit. Should be in 3.2 pips. So if you wait for this resistance level to get broken, so we enter for buy on Euro AUD. So for close the um, counter trade, the Euro USD we I asked us to counter trade, just close it. Should be in 0 point. Your loss should just be 0.4. So close it. Let's wait for the breakout of that resistance level. So let's see the USD card again. If it's still going, the trade is still going in on our way. The USD card is still in profit. It's an aggressive trade, but it's going well. We are waiting for breakout of this channel on Euro JPY. On Euro USD, um, is an indecision because we doesn't really know. The USD card is still in profit. So I'm going to bring that this live video to an end. So we are going to come to an end of this live video. So take note of Euro JPY. Let's wait for the breakout of this channel on 30-minute time frame. And then Euro AUD, we don't conclude on anything on that. Euro GPP. So we are waiting for the price. So we are waiting for um buy candle, like rejection candle at this level. Then Euro USD is an indecision too. So unless if you want to buy from here, you can just buy with this hammer candle, then buy and place your stop loss below the hammer candle. You can just buy from here, but don't target more than here. Then put your stop loss here. If you want it, does not up to 1:2 trade, 16 against 28. So guys, I will come back in the afternoon. So let's see what market is going to stay. But let me check this. Please be aware of 2:30. Be aware of this event that is going to happen 2:30 on USD pairs. So take note of that. If you have your strategy in trading news, you can go ahead because the trend will be effective on the market. So guys, I wish you happy trading and always trade responsible. This live video is coming to an end now, so we come back later in the day. So in the night, we are going to go live scalping boom and crash volatility market. So guys, I wish you trading and always trade. I wish you successful trading and always trade responsible. Take note of your risk management very well. Take it serious. Take it serious. Every trader lose, but it's now depend on how you manage the loss. Every trader lose. You should take note of that. Depend on how you manage the loss. So guys, have a wonderful day.